Windows are one of the most important features of a home. They provide natural light, improve energy efficiency, and offer a connection to the outside world. However, over time, even the best quality windows in Slidell can develop problems. If you live in Slidell, you may encounter a variety of window issues due to the region's humid climate, coastal weather, and the wear and tear of everyday use. Understanding these common window problems and how to fix them can help you maintain your home's comfort and curb appeal. Drafty windows. One of the most common complaints from homeowners in Slidell is dealing with drafty windows. Drafts typically occur when the seal around a window breaks, allowing air from outside to enter the home. This not only impacts the comfort inside your home but can also increase your energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to maintain the desired temperature. How to fix it? If your window is drafty, first inspect the weather stripping or seal around the window. Replacing worn-out weather stripping is a quick fix. If the problem persists, you may need to replace the entire window seal or consider adding a layer of caulking around the frame. For older windows with significant air leaks, replacing the window may be the most cost-effective long-term solution. Condensation between panes. In Slidell, humidity is often high, and this can lead to condensation forming between the panes of double-paned windows. This is usually an indication that the seal has failed, allowing moisture to accumulate between the glass layers. Not only does this obscure your view, but it also reduces the window's energy efficiency by allowing heat transfer. How to fix it? If you notice condensation between the panes, the seal has likely broken, and there is no easy way to repair it. You may need to replace the window unit entirely. In some cases, however, there are companies that can fix the seal and restore the window's performance. It's always a good idea to consult a professional window contractor to assess the damage and recommend the best solution. Hard to open or sticking windows. A window that's hard to open or sticks when you try to slide it up or down can be frustrating. This problem is often caused by dirt, debris, or warping in the window frame, especially in homes near the coast where salty air can accelerate wear. How to fix it? First, clean the window tracks thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. You can use a small vacuum or brush to get into the nooks and crannies. If the window still sticks, check the tracks for damage. Sometimes, applying a silicone lubricant can help the window move more smoothly. If the window frame is warped, it may need to be replaced, especially if the damage is significant. Window leaks. A window leak can occur when rainwater or humidity seeps into your home, which can be a particular concern during storm season in Slidell. Leaks can result from damaged seals, improperly installed windows, or general wear and tear. Water intrusion not only damages the window frame but can lead to mold growth and other structural issues. How to fix it? To fix a window leak, inspect the caulking and weather stripping around the window frame. Reapply caulk or replace weather stripping where necessary. If the leak continues, it might be necessary to replace the window entirely or have it resealed by a professional. Regular maintenance, including inspecting the sealant around the windows, can prevent leaks from occurring in the first place. Broken or cracked glass. Accidental impacts or age-related wear can lead to cracks or breaks in the glass of your windows. A cracked window is not only an eyesore, but it can also compromise the insulation and security of your home. How to fix it? If you have a broken or cracked window, it's important to act quickly to prevent further damage. Depending on the severity of the crack, you may be able to replace just the glass pane. However, if the damage is extensive, it might be necessary to replace the entire window. It's a good idea to hire a professional to ensure proper installation and avoid any additional damage. Fading or discoloration of frames. Living in a sunny, humid environment like Slidell can lead to fading or discoloration of window frames, particularly if your frames are made of wood or vinyl. The sun's UV rays can weaken the material over time, making it look worn or damaged. How to fix it? For vinyl frames, you can often clean them with a mixture of soap and water. If the frames are wooden, consider sanding and repainting them to restore their appearance. In some cases, replacing the frames with more durable materials, like fiberglass, might be a worthwhile investment if the fading is extensive. Conclusion: maintaining your windows is essential for keeping your home in top condition. In Slidell, the local climate can present unique challenges, but addressing common window problems early on can save you money and headaches in the long run. Whether it's dealing with drafty windows, fixing condensation, or repairing leaks, regular inspections and timely repairs are key to ensuring your windows remain functional and efficient for years to come. If you're unsure about how to tackle any window problems, don't hesitate to reach out to a local professional to ensure the job is done right.